How to fix WhatsApp chats could not complete backup. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, you need to have a very strong Wi-Fi connection if you want your WhatsApp to complete its backup. So first of all, open up your settings application, then tap on connections. Here, make sure that your Wi-Fi is very strong, or you can also connect to a mobile data for your backup. Now here, open up your WhatsApp. Get logged into your WhatsApp account number. Tap on the three-dot icon on the top right corner, then tap Settings. Here, choose the option of Chats, then tap onto Chat Backup. Under here, this will be your last backup date. You can tap on Backup and back it up right now. You can also choose your Google account. This is your current Google account. If this Google account is not working, you can go ahead and tap onto it and select from the various Google account and back it up on that Google account. And once you do all that, that will definitely fix your problem. So thank you for watching guys, and we will catch you up in our next upload.